Hi everybody, welcome to the Aurora Mini-Con. Thank you for joining us today as we make superhero shields. Today all you need is a paper plate, some paint, some stickers, and a pipe cleaner. So all of these, if you got a grab and go kit, are available in your kit. But if you just have these things I got home, you can go ahead and make the shield yourself. So we went ahead and already attached our pipe cleaner to our shield with some tape. And you just make a nice little loop so you can hold up the shield when it's all done and ready to defend you from evil. And now comes the fun part, which is that you get to decorate the shield. So I picked the Mini-Con colors, so purple, orange, and blue, and I'm going to paint just on my shield however I feel like it. Today I'm just going to do some stripes. And then after you paint, you just stick some stickers on. I'm gonna add one here. You might want to let your paint dry first though. Right there. And one right here. Alright, so there you have it, your superhero shield. So you can pick up this grab and go kits and our other grab and go kits at any of our library locations while supplies last. And check out all of our other Mini-Con events on the 14th and the 15th of November at our website, auroralibrary.org.